So hello everyone, today in this lecture we'll be solving this question number 77. So the question is the solubility of BaSO4 in water is 2.42 into 10 ratio power minus 3 at 298 Kelvin. So the value of solubility product will be, and we have given the molar mass of BaSO4. So basically to find the solubility, we have this solubility of BaSO4. So what we can do is we have to divide this solubility by its molar mass. So when we do it, we'll get 1.04 into 10 ratio power minus 5 answer. So so we have to find the value of its solubility product, which is KSP. So to find the KSP, we have to find it separately. So KSP is equal to Ba2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So basically KSP is S into S. So we have to multiply 1.04 into 10 ratio power minus 5 into 2 times. So after multiplying this 1.04 into 10 ratio power minus 5, we'll get 1.08 into 10 ratio power minus 3, minus 10, sorry, minus 10, which would be answer number, option number 3. Thank you.